Hello! In today's video, we're going to answer a question that we received recently, so stay tuned. Okay, so we received a question recently that basically said, "Hi, we're looking for a scale with RS-232 to export weight data to Excel. Currently, we weigh each bag and write the weight down on a piece of paper and tally it up at the end. What kind of options do you have?" First off, we need to determine if you need a legal for trade scale. Are you buying or selling based off the weight of those bags? If so, you'll need a legal for trade scale. And in a legal for trade setting, the scale weight is the approved weight. So if you then send weights to a separate item like a spreadsheet, you probably need to consult with your local weights and measures to see if they will allow you to do that or not. One option you could do is to use a price computing scale. You can very easily weigh items on it and print out a simple label. However, this is designed to weigh one type of item at a time. For example, strawberries by the pound. So there would be no tally. It sounds like the customer is looking for a solution that can weigh a lot of items one by one and then get a total, and they prefer to tally all this up in the spreadsheet program. So with that in mind, probably the most cost-effective solution would be a GVK bench scale from Atom Equipment along with their software program, which is called Atom DU. Atom DU software lets you easily capture data from Atom Equipment weighing scales for immediate analysis or export to other applications. This combo will allow you to weigh items on your scale and send the weight data to Atom DU, which can then export the data to your computer spreadsheet program. The scale is legal for trade, however, the software is not. Well, that will do it for today's video. Please do me a favor and hit that like button down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!